So, the point is that superficially it may appear sometimes against the social and religious rules and regulations, but if it is done for Krishna, Anukulya. Bhakti means Anukulyena Krishna Anukulya. Krishna should be satisfied. That is, it doesn't matter. Krishna should be satisfied. Just like Krishna pretended that he was sick and many physicians came. He said, no physician cured me. If some devotee gives me the dust of his feet on my head, then I can be cured. So all devotees were asked, nobody, can it be? May dust on the head of Krishna? How it is possible? Nobody prepared. Then Krishna asked, go to Vrindavan. Just ask the gopis if they can give. They are my best friends, if they are prepared. I am very much suffering from headache. So nobody were prepared to go. As soon as gopis are approached, Krishna is sick, they want our custom immediately. Please. Please take. Since he did not care that we are going to hell by offering our dust of feet on the head of Krishna, never mind, we shall go. Krishna will be happy, that's all. Krishna will be happy. This is all. It doesn't matter, the whole world is going to hell, but if Krishna is satisfied, the devotee is required to do that. That is called Uttama Bhakti.